Why do you get permission errors when troubleshooting? Have you ever been in the middle of troubleshooting and suddenly hit a wall with a permission error? It can be frustrating, right? Let's break down why these errors happen and how you can tackle them effectively. Permission errors occur when your system or application restricts access to certain resources, files, or actions. These restrictions are there to protect your data and system security. They ensure that only authorized users can perform specific operations. So, when you see a permission error, it usually means that your current user account or process lacks the necessary rights to access or modify what you are trying to work with. At a basic level, there are several reasons why you might encounter these errors. One common cause is incorrect ownership or user rights. If the resource you are trying to access is owned by a different user, and you lack ownership or access rights, you will run into issues. Another reason could be insufficient privileges. Some actions requiring elevated permissions, like those of an administrator. If you try to perform these actions without the right elevation, you will trigger a permission error. Security policies and group restrictions can also play a role. Organizational policies may explicitly deny access to certain users or roles. This is often seen in environments with group policies or identity and access management policies in cloud settings. If you are working in an environment that uses temporary credentials, you might face session limitations. Missing explicit allow statements or having explicit deny rules can lead to access denial. Account mismatches can also cause permission errors. If user accounts are deleted, recreated, or synchronized improperly, the system may see mismatches in user IDs, even if the usernames look correct. Lastly, file system or resource corruption can lead to unexpected permission errors. If the permissions are misconfigured or the file system is corrupt, you may face access issues. To troubleshoot these permission errors effectively, start by verifying the ownership of the resource. Ensure that your user account has the necessary rights. Check if you need to run the operation with elevated privileges. Review security policies and group memberships assigned to your user account. In cloud environments, inspect identity and access management policies for explicit denies or missing allows. Confirm that the account you are using matches the expected identity for the resource, especially after any account changes. If you suspect corruption or misconfiguration, consider repairing or resetting file system permissions. By understanding these common causes and troubleshooting steps, you can effectively address permission errors and improve your overall experience with software debugging and programming.